How to transfer crypto from Bitget Exchange to Bitget Wallet. In order to do it, first of all, open your Bitget mobile application. Over here, tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then tap on Spot. Over here, select the option of Withdraw, and now you will be able to see all of the cryptocurrencies that you can transfer from Bitget Exchange. Now you need to select that particular cryptocurrency which you want to transfer. Let's say you want to transfer USDT, so you need to tap on USDT, then tap on the on-chain withdrawal option. Now you will be landed on this page where you need to fill out all of these details one by one. Here, first of all, you need to select the withdrawal network. By default it will be BEP20, so you can select BEP20 because in it you don't need to pay any fees. After selecting it, it will ask you to provide the withdrawal address. So in order to get the withdrawal address, you need to simply open your Bitget wallet. Now since we have selected USDT in our Bitget wallet, you need to tap on the deposit option. After that, you need to just tap on the receive option. Here you need to select USDT and you need to make sure that USDT is based on the same network that we have selected in our Bitget exchange. So we have selected USDT on the BEP20 network, but as you can see that the network of BEP20 is not available. So in order to change it, you need to first tap on the chain network in the top, and here you need to make sure that the chain is selected. So this is the deposit address, so you need to copy it from here, then go back to your Bitget exchange, paste the address in this section. In the withdrawal amount, enter the amount that you want to withdraw. You need to make sure that the minimum withdrawal amount is $10. After filling all of these details, press the withdraw button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you need to review each and every information that is mentioned on the previous page. If everything is correct, confirm your transaction. Once your transaction is completed, you will be able to easily get your crypto from your Bitget exchange to your Bitget wallet. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching.